Why would it be cherry?
What papers?
The back, and the
I want to get in the back.
The
I want to twerk on the
interior.
boat. We gotta play it too.
Oh, you gotta control the music.
Ooh,
I'm looking for the Walmart
Black cherry. That's. I don't like that.
Which one you want to go to? Put it in. Okay.
Damn, a black man with this is just.
You know, I gotta put 93 in my shit.
I want to take 93. Well, I did that on my own, but yes.
I ain't
It's
never
gonna last
did
till a
90.
minute.
Okay.
Venom.
What's her song? I want to twerk
Midnight.
on the floor.
But play your song first, Putting You Down by Trim.
Oh, see,
Wait, this is too grown. This is too grown.
Yes,
Black Widow.
like-
The paper. I said by Trim.
By Trim?
Yeah,
It's out?
by Trim.
I didn't know she had a song, Putting You Down, that was out. I
Yeah.
thought that was,
That's the song we've been listening to. Remember?
Let me go. What it's called?
Putting You Down.
But we gotta come back to the original.
Okay.
No shade. See, I can't find it. Look.
I need that on my soul. I'm riding the beat. Damn. Yeah, on my toes. I come pink range. I went pink range. I went call me a grill.
I went Johnny Dane. I'm still shitting on bitches. Let me go change.
I went Cuban links. They went
Look at me.
This is shit on 20.
Alright.
Pussy nigga,
Oh,
what
there
you
you
wanna
go.
do?
You can play it out.
Where?
So it's on the two. He a head master head hunter
Down.
too.
Right here?
He know he coming.
Okay, we gonna play it after.
Around with some big B's, but my name
Why did they
ain't
borrow
Blunt
that?
too. But my name ain't Blunt B.
Hold on.
I'm who
Oh, yeah,
bitches
go
wanna
slow right
be.
there.
What's your name? Need bitches KJ, cause these hoes sons of me. He
Wanna get me?
got my stripes. Bitch, I'm hitting my shoulder.
Pussy. I'm putting you on. Big Leo, I'm
Song
sound
for song, this ass so fat. I'm going thong for thong, I'm a dog, he is too.
Okay,
We
red
going
with the
bone
red
for
car.
bone,
Pop your
he
shit,
beat my
bitch.
shit from the back, he
Hold
love when I
on.
spray.
What?
Yeah.
Put you down.
Put you on. Put you down. Put you on. Put you down. Put you on. It's ice on me, I'm chilling. 3 times I went triple dipper. Bitch, it's going down like a zipper. I'm holding him tight, I'm a gripper. He beating my shit with a straight face. Come on, lining me up like a clipper.
I'm popping this shit in real life.
They popping that shit for reals. What? That's why they can't get a deal. Oh, man.
How you do that?
Do
How
what?
is it still on? You ain't at the house?
iPad's on.
Huh?
They turn iPads on now.
For real?
Like when you buy an iPad, you gotta get it turned on.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, they got their own little data.
Here, turn on Trim.
Trim, here we go. Woo! Turn me up, turn me up, turn me up.
In Miami, I twerk like a hoe. I'ma shake it and throw it around. All this money on top of the floor. I'ma ride it while he put it down. He be swimming inside of this cookie. I can't even lie, he be making me drown. He said he wanna hit on a low, like a Drake when you putting it round. I'm shaking his ass. On the chair, I be throwing it fast. Too excited, he wasting his cash. All you broke niggas stay in the past. You a hoe nigga, we couldn't last. He said I'm the baddest bitch he ever had. You a hoe nigga, we couldn't last. He said I'm the baddest bitch he ever had. In Miami on top of the yacht. All my niggas be throwing up foes. Throw 100 on top of these stocks. They gon' trade, they don't care if it's cold. He said he wanna leave all his bros. He wanna come hit it inside of the bros. He said he wanna leave all his brows. He wanna come hit it inside of the brows. Pass me the ammo. I've been waiting to shoot out this Lambo. I'm a homie, I got his bands. On the tour, I'ma act like a bad hoe. Can't believe that I'm out of the bando. I'm in the black truck covered in camo. Throw it around. All this money on top of the floor. I'm a rider while you put it down. Can't even like me, making me drown. He said he wanna hit on the low. Like a drink, we putting it round.
Hey. Woo. Okay, I think you need Ashton Martin music now.
Okay.
Can we do that?
Music video. We got 3 more minutes straight.
Hold on, let me make it quick. Ashton Martin.
I love hearing my engine.
Ads is crazy. Alright. Hold on, y'all.
See all the booking ads. I need to get Apple Music.
Nah, music got good shit though.
Okay, now we in the music video tray.
Wow.
The 2-seat out, baby.
This is crazy.
It's wherever you wanna go.
Wherever you wanna go.
Vibing to the music, this is how we do it. Breezing down the freeway, just me and my baby. In our bodies, just me and my thoughts. No worries at all. Listening to the
Would have came back for you. I just needed time. Do what I had to do. Caught in the life. I can't let it go. Whether that's right.
Pause that. Hootie.
I don't need no bless up.
Hootie, are you driving?
Yeah, baby, what's up?
That's my best.
Feeling it. He's too grown.
Cool, watch my best friend because she can't drive.
Wait, Trey.
I know. Wait.
How do I turn these?
See, that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna let y'all go.
How do I turn them?
Just go.
I'm gonna let y'all go. Trey,
All right. Just
if something happened to my best friend, that's your ass, bitch. It ain't we no crawfish.
pull over. I don't know. Shit. All right. I got you, man.
All right, bye.
I'm gonna take care of it.
I don't know what to do, dog.
What? Where's the button? What did you press?
Hey,
It's
we got
something. Oh, I pressed it. Hold on. Here you go.
They get mad at me in the back. I don't give
All right.
a
It's
fuck,
off. It's off. It's off.
At the light, turn right onto College
All
Drive,
this playing
then
shit we
turn
do.
left into
We need some
the
Erica Banks when we pull up to Walmart.
Okay, period. We can ride around when we get back.
Hello.
Hello, we outside.
You can play that controversial.
Cause I'm finna be crying tomorrow. I don't even need the GPS no more. Put it on controversy.
You say he got 50 bands? I like the way that, bro. For you to be young, I'm gonna tell you after this live, cause you just doing your fucking thing.
I'm just doing my shit. I'm just living how
Just
I
doing
want.
what you
You know,
want.
I be doing what I want. I'm living like a star should live. You get it? I love this for me.
When your mama come down here?
Tomorrow.
Go past the railroad crossing, then at the light, turn
Bitch, we
left
up.
into the parking lot.
Bitch, we up.
Hi. Here we go.
At the light, turn left.
Shut up. We don't need you no more.
I be dubbing all your favorite rappers. Niggas ain't got shit for me.
He just met me yesterday like pussy boy. I been stunned. I been dumb.
I don't give a fuck about what you got, nigga. Pull up to your shit and hit my blunt all in your spot, nigga. Boy, you turning fake for real.
That is not a real thing.
Come get with this pimpin'. Leave them bitches for some real fun. Hey, I'm high as fuck, get headed now.
I don't even feel that. Hold up.
Right back to this bitch. This nigga still dumb.
Any song, any beat.
Knock it out the ball for it.
I don't give a fuck how rich I get. I'm still at Walmart.
This nigga want attention.
Tell him send a high mark. He say he got 50 bands. I like the way that dog work.
Bad bitch. Hide out the store, keep the tag, bitch. Shot his super metal parts and lashes, that's some bad shit. All I do is get money. What the fuck is sad shit? I am who you dream about, boy. I'm not your last bitch. I done got my mind right. I done got my paper. I tired of money counting. I got tired of paper cuts. We don't flex for 10 bands. Look, boy, put that paper up. I hate when niggas talking like. Is you gon' spend that paper what? I'm telling you bitches, I been the root of this shit and I'm really who helping you bitches. If it was 2006 and I had a CD on my life, I could sell out the kitchen. You out the kitchen. I'll put her out your britches. Bitch, over there is a week. You can pull out a pen with no writers for real. I still won't be scared of you bitches. Fuck him, I hate a shicey bitch. No, I cannot fuck with that. She say she don't like me now. Well, you can't get your money back. I got tired of Kim, but so far I'm like 100 racks. How you not a fan, but on my page? Like, bro, what's up with that?
Like, what's up with that? Dude, you gotta let them go. They pedestrians, so
No,
pedestrians
I know
got
that.
the.
Oh my God, you had these that don't know how to drive. But I had my life.
Shit.
This is my second Camaro.
Yeah, your mom was telling me, so that's why when you got it, I was
Yeah,
like,
but I had
come on.
ran somebody over, so she took it. But she bought me that one, and she took it. And I lied to everybody like I wrecked it, but she took it. That's why I bought my own shit this time. 'Cause if a bitch piss
Take
me
this.
off
Take.
and
No,
I
I'm
run
just
them
playing.
over, she can't do shit.
She said you was speeding and getting tickets and shit too. We're gonna have to put her up for one of these.
Dog, why is my mama telling all my business? See, how am I doing these? Huh?
That's your phone. The button right here.
What? Oh, right here?
Yeah.
I'm still at Walmart.
Hello.
Okay, now you teaching me how to work my car.
I like the way that dog barked.
Where my key at? It was right here. It must have failed.
Oh, it's keyless?
Yeah, it's a
Push start? You know, it ain't fall. Check your pocket.
You know I can start do everything on my
From your
phone,
phone?
too. Mm-hmm. What the app at right here? There's a start button up.
This is crazy.
I can do everything off this.
So wait. Hold on, let's see.
Where is the? Oh, wait.
You got it? Check your side. It's in your jacket pocket or something. It's somewhere very simple.
So can I drive, Trey?
She's still running. Turn her off.
I know. I'm looking for the
Oh. you could do okay. Look under the seat. Let me help. I'm talking about look under the seat.
This too early in the game.
How we lose the key?
We having too much fun. It gotta be over here, cause it was right here. I'm gonna call my man and tell him you lost my key.
What? Me? This don't make sense. I don't even know how it looked to even like help for real. Yeah, maybe it's the car that's on that's distracting us. Pootie, it's in your jacket pocket or something. It's somewhere very simple.
No, it's not. I said it right here. Let me come over here.
Let me come over there. Yeah, you go on my side. I'm gonna go on your side and see.
We done had so much fun in that little amount of time.
Like, y'all see how shit can happen in a blink of an eye?
You got it.
No, but I feel like it's under the seat.
It gotta be, cause my goddamn earphones up under here.
They said that kid stole it. They said the boy got it.
That little girl said, "Dang, I'm scared of him. I'm scared of that weird boy. He said he was gonna
drag me."
Oh my God! How did I lose this key?
I think them kids got it.
Boy, don't make me go beat their ass. I'm just playing. I know them kids ain't got that.
Yeah, cause we drove here. It's in here.
I know, cause
the shoebox.
Here you go. Oh. I told you it was right here. Wait, where's my slides?
You got your key before I close it door?
Yeah.
It's a little chilly.
Where my other phone? Oh, it's in my pocket. Okay.
Look, I'm not no damn what is called?
Wait.
What's door backpack called? That's the window. You want to finish putting it up? Is the other one down too? Oh yeah.
The other one down too?
Yeah. We got to get you a keychain out of here too.
What I'm coming in here for? I'm coming in here for
Car.
some. I got car.
Plug in.
Car plug in. I got. I went to Bath and Body Works today, but I'm still finna get
Back
some
there.
Dove
Yeah,
shit.
man.
And I'm finna be. I'm scared for tomorrow.
What time is for?
6 in the morning. I ain't got my but a bitch finna have a motherfucking.
How you doing? It's all about the money. I don't need your money.
No, we shouldn't.
A bastard. I was thinking that.
Actually.
What he crying for tomorrow?
Okay, now I'm learning who she is.
Erica Banks? They gonna catch her on when it's too late. As long as she know I've been a fan. You look amazing. All right, car stuff.
Bitch, I ain't had my earphones in all day. You know I be happy.
Mind you, he keeps the AirPod in. He don't give a fuck where he at. I think the car stuff over here. Ooh, let's ride bikes. Let's ride Walmart bikes and see what they say. Let's see. Which bike? I want the thick one. I want the thick one. Which bike? So many options. They lock them up now?
Bitches stealing bikes out of Walmart?
Oh, you just slide.
Hey, you was not trying to ride no bikes for real.
They normally have them. Oh, let's go. If I see one out, I'm getting it.
My grayscale one is here.
The name of that song was Erica Banks Controversy 2. Maybe Walmart don't have a charger for the car. Do Walmart have a charger for the car, y'all? The little things you stick in the little thingy?
They should. Walmart should have everything.
Oh,
No
that?
shit. Well,
But,
right here.
mm-hmm.
This what you got.
You need a fast one, yeah.
But is it fast?
Yeah.
I got a portable charger.
You say
in my car, though. I
USB-C.
didn't even know it, but I want some shit.
But that's in the back, yeah. Mm. Yeah, I want the thick one. It should be a button. You ain't got buttons no more we press?
This, try to press it. Is it?
Check by the register. So you just burping it for it.
Man, come on now. Who the fuck stealing your charger? They like everything, bro. Go in and go out.
Where the workers at? It don't seem like nobody work back here. I'm ready to get back in the car.
That was fun.
That was too fun, bitch. I'm ready to get in the car. So what we need? Who we gotta find? Come on, bitch. I'm ready to ride. They tripping. You're not about to risk. Excuse me. You know who could open up something for us on electronics?
You could go buy electronics. You gotta do it over there.
Huh?
The electronic people, they do it with their phone.
I mean, over here.
Yeah, electronic people.
I gotta go over there?
Yeah, ask them. They got it on their phone.
I appreciate it. Yes, my driving days is over. Oh, we gotta go. That's stupid. We gotta walk over here to the electronics and then walk back. He on that damn phone. That's what it be, y'all. It be that damn phone and get them fucked up. You work here? Stupid question, my bad. You can unlock something for us back there? Car charger.
I can try.
He said he could try.
Is it one of the ones that's like that lock?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I can try. I'm gonna follow here.
Oh, you gonna? Oh. What do you mean try? I can't fight, so let me shut up. It worked back here? Thank you. Which one you want, Pootie? This, that 24.97.
I ain't gonna tell me, ask me, and then tell me.
You took too long.
I gotta put some lights under my car.
Oh, you could get them little symbols that say Chevrolet when you open the door and it shine on the floor. Yeah, perfect.
This where you got yours from?
Nah, I got mine from
Target.
Probably AutoZone. You got windshield wiper? Oh, they probably loaded you up with all that.
Yep.
You got it? You got
That's
smell
all
good stuff for your car to spray in?
I need,
Look right here. Get a little trees to hang up on the thing.
I'm getting so cold.
They got
Since I was 18. I apologize if I need something that's gonna
match your car.
Yep.
That Bigfoot do though, no shade.
What? This?
Yeah, and
Ooh,
it's
this
cool.
kinda hard.
Yeah, and it's cool.
I apologize if
I want the thick one. I got this fucking white head that I have yet to go get cut. You got a steering wheel cover?
I don't want no cover.
Like, put it red. The little thing you.
I don't want no cover.
All right, let's go.
You think I need one?
You could break it in first and then.
I ain't never like covers for on steering wheel. I think you give me that race car feel. You get my
With
seat.
just touching it bare. What else you need? Oh, you said you needed.
Doves. Look at this. Going shopping in this bitch. We came here for one thing. Oh, they don't. Hold on.
What?
They don't do tap, but let me see if I
Walmart Pay. And then hook up your number to it. You gotta pay up here. Or you wanna pay last? I want the thick one. You need a ring camera.
I do.
Mm-hmm. You ain't wrong, King. Walmart said iPhone 17 Pros. This is crazy. We can use your discount next time we come. You don't have what? Your discount card?
Thank you.
But next time I come, you gonna let me use it? Thank you.
Who is that?
I don't know. How you doing?
You say you don't know who that is?
No, I was.
Oh, well, you don't need his discount.
He
'Cause
work
talk-
here, though.
Well, cause he talk about some maybe.
Maybe.
You don't need that discount.
Like, What do you mean maybe? I'm tired of all these maybes in here. Maybes, tries,
You should have said just like you. Oh, never mind. Because I don't need your motherfucking discount.
maybe.
That's why
It's only 10%.
'Cause I can't fight for 2 weeks. I'm gonna buy 2 pieces right now. You just don't know. Because I really got pissed off.
Mind you, be all in my face. So I'm like, at least let me use the card.
Yeah, and that's why I'm thinking maybe y'all.
No, I ain't know him. He just always be in my face. So I'm like, okay.
Maybe he's being smart because shit.
We
y'all
know each other.
But-
Whole
but
time, no.
That's why I'm like, do you know him? You like, no. I'm like, I'm trying to make sure before I catch an attitude with his ass.
No, you did good though, cause
Fuck him, bitch. Who the fuck you think you is?
maybe.
Yeah, bitch, you look like chicken little with them fucking big ass.
I ain't never seen his teeth, so that was my most he talked. He threw me off anyway. You need, oh yeah. No shame, I don't teeth shame, cause I'm getting my shit fixed as we speak. So I promise.